Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how quickly my baby chicks have started to fly at day 8 and 9, and I had to make a very quick DIY transitional coop so they didn't fly out. I figured putting a mesh over the top of that tiny thing is just going to be too small for them. They're growing so fast. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. This little transitional coop that I did in like an hour is just random stuff I found from my yard. I had some extra screens that don't fit the current windows, so I put those on each end. I've got chicken wire around it, however they're still small enough where they can probably get through, so I've just temporarily put this here because I do have a dog, 2 dogs and a cat. So it's just 2x4s and random scrap wood with some chicken wire that I actually had left over from making my compost bins. And then I've got their food and water and a couple little places for them to sit. So let me just go ahead and show you. Okay, this one loves the roofs the best. This is Roadrunner. As you can see, if you look back at my first video, I will link it above. It is a quick little one, and she flies quite a bit. And I don't know if you can tell from the first video to now, but she has grown quite a bit, and you can see the wing structure on her. Her wings have grown so much just since the first day that I brought her home. So I'm going to bring the camera down and let you guys kind of watch what they do in the coop. We've got our little Roadrunner, which is the darker brown of the two, and then the other two are pretty similar. This one's a little taller and this one's a little fatter, but we haven't really figured out names for them. As you can see, they're really starting to fly. Come on, show them how you fly. Come on. You can see, I don't know if you can see from the camera, but they really like this little roost. Let me move this up a little bit so you can see. Well, it's hard to see, but there's a little roost there that they love to sit on. Are you going to show them how you fly? Are you going to show them how you fly? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, this one's flying. Come here. Come here. Oh, I know. What is I do. All right, you want to show them how you fly? Okay, so they're going to be a little camera shy. I'm going to try to mess with them a little bit more and see if you can see how they're flying. But it was definitely getting to the point where they were getting out of the Rubbermaid container. So that only lasted about 5 days. Hi. You want to come see me? You want to come see me? Or no? Show them how to fly. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. Show them how you fly. Come here. Look. Come here. Want to show them how you fly? Sorry, you can hear my dogs barking in the background. Come on, guys. Come on. Fly off of there. Come on. There's their little roost. There's 2 little roosts. I think Roadrunner likes it the best. The other 2 are just kind of feeling him out. And that's the little fat one that is flying all over. They're all super sweet and super cute, and our whole family is so excited to have them as pets, and let alone, of course, that we're going to get eggs from them, which is just another step towards our self-sustainability. I don't know why I have such a hard time saying that word, but let me see if I can get them to fly one more time for you, and then we'll catch up in the next video. Come here. Here you go. No, wait. Okay, all right. There you go. Oh. Oops, sorry, that was my alarm. All right, I've got to go get my daughter from the bus. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I have much more entertainment and tips, tricks, and hints for you with new baby chicks. See y'all soon. Bye.